Lord. It's locked. F! Let's go to the front. This is sketchy. Fuck, it's sketchy. I'm scared to go through the floor. Oh my god. What? Seeing shit. What? Is it open? Looks like somebody else lives in there, man. There's like cigarette butts and fucking like. I think someone does live here. Jeez, that is sketchy. Maybe we should go. Almost looks like somebody seriously fucking lives here, like right now. Oh, hey, if you can keep this pulled, like pull it like I did. I think people get stoned here. I think this is a camp. Because that's like a new lock. Keep it like that. Can you keep it? No, oh, my finger just got caught. Okay, just a second. I need to hold this now. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Okay, let's go in. Hello? Hello? Look, there's a bong on the table. Let's go in. Come on. This is so sketchy. Is there anybody here? Look, there's beans, Sam. Let's go upstairs. Definitely not. Hello? Me out because I don't have a body. Yeah, this place. There's a pair of pants. If there's somebody here with us, give us a sign. If there's somebody here that wants to say something, say it. If there's anyone in here with us, give us a sign. Nothing. I'm scared to go through the floor. Me too. Woo! Big dragon painted on the wall. That's random. This place can't be a camp. It's too fucked up. Yeah. Let's scream really loud. And really bad. Hold on, let's like run out screaming. I just don't want to run down these stairs. I can't believe the door just opened. I'm gonna scream really loud. Okay. Holy shit! Can he get the door? I got it.